Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. So we got possibly hundreds of billions, but most likely tens of billions of dollars coming into crypto. And this is by a major investment firm known as Morgan Stanley, or Morgan Stanley Dean Witter, as used to be known. It is a branch of Morgan Stanley, but this branch of Morgan Stanley is worth a whopping $150 billion. Yes, $150 billion. I believe that is far more than Grayscale is actually worth. And MicroStrategy. $150 billion is a lot of money. Now, that's what the entire branch is worth. That is probably not what they will actually invest into Bitcoin, but they could invest a significant amount into Bitcoin. And this does represent a major financial investment firm coming into Bitcoin more than any other one. Because remember, Grayscale is a financial firm, but it is a cryptocurrency fund. Morgan Stanley is a pretty much like mainstream fund. And this means mainstream funds are willing to pour lots of money into crypto. I don't think this investment will just be a couple million or tens of millions. I do believe it will be in the billions in number. And I think they're really looking at this because they see the insane growth that Bitcoin has. They know that some of these new firms like Grayscale will actually overtake them if they don't invest in this new opportunity known as crypto. So it's called Counterpoint Global, a unit of Morgan Stanley Investment Management exploring whether it will make a bet on Bitcoin, according to a Bloomberg News report. Citing sources, the report said the unit, which manages $150 billion, would need approvals from the wider firm and regulators to make such an investment. Still, it represents Wall Street's broader push into cryptocurrency, which is increasingly being viewed as an inflation hedge asset. Very, very good. A spokeswoman for Morgan Stanley declined to comment on the Bloomberg report. Morgan Stanley made headlines during the height of the 2017 initial coin offering bubble for exploring the launch of possible swap-like product tied to Bitcoin. I bet they actually are kind of like in remorse that they didn't actually do it. That product ultimately did not launch. So it looks like Morgan Stanley is once again very bullish on Bitcoin. And I think this time they'll actually pull the trigger because they see how much money Grayscale and the others are making. And they'll definitely lose position if they don't make it. I think many of these investment firms will eventually come in. And I think Morgan Stanley is leading the way. I do think they still need some regulatory clarity. I mean, Bitcoin and Ethereum have already been given the no action letter. So I think Morgan Stanley is actually going to invest in both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, maybe Bitcoin first and then Ethereum. But this will definitely push crypto to greater heights. And pushing crypto to greater heights will pull the rest of our coins up as well. So we know that the storm is brewing, the storm is gathering, and it looks like it's going to open the floodgates to many people investing. So Jim Cramer is saying every major institution should look to have Bitcoin on their balance sheets. It's maybe not so far-fetched, may not be as far off as we think. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.